it's been a little while since you've seen or heard from us at Customs Cafe. I'd like to keep you up to date. It's about 2:35 on Friday afternoon. It's been a wild week around here. I'm sure you've had a wild week too. The weather's a little crazy. So I'm actually having to come to you from the kitchen. I am making our pimento cheese right now. In the restaurant world, 2 o'clock, things kind of slow down. Your lunch is over, but that's actually when everything picks up for me in the kitchen. So I'm putting together recipes, preparing for events, and tonight we have an event here in the cafe. We're doing the Yoder Party. If you follow us on Facebook, you saw that they won our event giveaway, so they're using our event space tonight. So we're getting ready for that, making all of our wonderful foods, pimento cheese being one of them. We make it from scratch right here. And then we're also preparing for a catering event for a local business. Four Seasons Tanning Salon is actually in the same shopping center with us here in Hoover. So we're putting together trays of food for an event they're having tonight. Busy, busy, busy Friday evening. But I wanted to go over with you some of the fun things we have on our calendar for you right over here. So we are starting off 2018 with dine-in specials every day of the week. Monday, we're doing Meeting Monday, where you can get together with your business associates, have lunch, go over getting your week off to a good start. And if you give our cashier your business card when you place your order, you will receive 10% off of your order. If you bring in a group of 4 or more, we'll be doing a shout out to you for you, on our social media. Tuesdays is a program we've had going on for a little while. It's called 2 for $20 Tuesdays. That special is your choice of 2 entrees, 2 fountain drinks, and a dessert for $20 plus tax. So these are dine-in specials for the week. Wednesday, kids eat free all day long. We have a promo where one child item off of the children's menu per adult item is free. Thursday, we're doing a really fun event. It's taken us a little while to come up with all the details for it. But when you make your purchase, you're going to receive a sheet of paper to fold into a paper airplane. And then you get to throw the airplane towards some targets. The targets are going to be a hoop over behind the counter. If you make it through the hoop, you win a free slice of cake. If you're able to land your paper airplane on our runway, you win a $30 gift card good for Customs Cafe. And then Friday, which is today, we're doing Fill the Fridge Friday. So Fill the Fridge Friday is a 10% discount off of any of our grab-and-go items. That includes our pimento cheese, which will be in the cooler in little 16-ounce packages. So we've all worked really hard the whole week, and we want you to be able to relax and have a good time and enjoy your journey on the weekends. So stop in, pick up our pimento cheese, chicken salad, any of our soups. We also do our entrees available in pans for you to finish at home, all of our ready-to-eat foods. So, thanks for checking in with us. I hope you're having a wonderful day and getting ready for an amazing weekend. Enjoy your journey.